Now here's gonna be a quick guide on how to get this wooden bed frame from Dumos assembled. So what I like to do is lay out everything. And what's really cool about this bed frame is it comes basically fully assembled for you. So as you can see, the outer frame is already all put together. And really our only job and your only job when it arrives is just screwing in 2 bolts to each side. So super, super easy. And everything is really, really nicely labeled for you. So this is going to be the outer base. I'm going to start with assembling this first on the sides. So just make sure that these Velcro are on the inside because that's where the slats are going to stick to. This is going to be letter B, and we are going to take letter E. These are the legs that go on the side. All you got to do is just line it up. Make sure the holes are even, and then we just got to put our screws in there. Now, they do give you an Allen wrench. I personally have my own tools. But if you don't have a tool, don't worry, they supply you with one. It's really easy. You just got to put four bolts in there. And now each corner is going to be exactly the same. So all you're doing is putting these little wooden stubs in here. So show you what they look like. That, and you're just going to push it together. And now at this point, there's going to be holes that all we have to do is drill in our bolts. I'll show you what that looks like. 2 on both sides, so just 4 in total. And every single corner is exactly the same. So you just got to do this 4 times, and this whole outer frame is put together. And now the next steps is just getting the legs of the middle support beam put into place, and they're super easy. It's got little screws here, and you can do this by hand. You just got to twist them on. So this should take you about 1 minute to get all these on there. Very simple. Now the final part is getting these support beams screwed in there. So you're just going to line it up. They give you the screw. We'll go to town. What you got to do is just get them lined up how you want them. Spread them out, and then get the Velcro attached. And there you go. So now you got yourself a full wooden bed frame. Personally, this is the only way that I buy bed frames. I like wood because they're completely silent at night. So if you do have a bed frame that is squeaking on you every time you move around, it's probably because it's metal and the metal is moving around. So one way that I have found to fix that is to go full wood. And this still holds up to 800 pounds, so it should be able to support whatever weight. You don't have to worry about giving up strength. But super, super happy with this. The assembly process was super easy, like I showed you. Got this thing assembled by myself. It probably took, I don't know, 30 minutes, 40 minutes by myself. So very happy with this. Give it 2 thumbs up.